Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to link to another slide in PowerPoint. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. Creating several slides. Skip the first one, we'll have this slide as the cover. We'll add some pictures to the third, fourth and fifth slides. Go to slide 2, write the text in the right place from which we'll make a link. Select one of the lines and right-click on it, then select the hyperlink item in the menu that opens. The hyperlink insertion window opens. Select Place in the document on the left and specify the slide to which we want to link. We do the same with the rest of the words. Click OK, starting the presentation preview, F5 button. As you can see, when we click on the link, we are transferred to the second slide and so on. PowerPoint also has the ability to create an interactive link. There are two options for creating an interactive link. Select the second slide, left-click on the third slide and move it to the area of the second slide. The second way of creating a link is a little longer than the first one and will be useful when you have a large presentation. So we go to the Insert tab in the Zoom button, select Slide Zoom, the Insert Slide Zoom window opens, choosing the right one and checking the result. As you can see, we have created 3 regular text links and 3 interactive ones. That's it for me. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.